Okay, now we're going to add some randomization code to this problem so we can turn out a bunch of different versions. They're all basically the same problem, but that they have different numbers. We call those isomorphs. So the only thing I'm going to start off with variabilizing here is the initial velocity. First thing you have to do is you have to figure out, well, what range makes sense for you. For this problem, I say that it's going to be 10.00 to 99. So then we have to figure out how to use the code. And we're going to insert in here randomization code. The way that random works is it's rand and then a whole number. And what will happen is that it will generate a number from 0 to, in this case, 21, which I don't want. So in order to get decimals in there, we have to do a little bit of math. And here's the math that I'm going to do here. So I want the range 10.00 to 99.99, which really means turn them into whole numbers 1,000 to 9,999 divided by 100. We're going to add the 1 in, so that's the 989 plus 1. Subtract the bottom number, that gives me a random code of 9,000. And then I'm going to add back in the 1,000 and then divide by the 100. So we have here rand 9,000 plus 1,000 in parentheses divided by 100.0. Save that. Test drive. And now my V0 in this case turned out to be 14.66. When you're in a test drive, you can always just hit refresh. And that'll give you a new version. That's not true for when the students are doing this for real. But here we go, 72.31. And so on and so on. And so the important thing there, again, let me show you this little guy. This is on my website, some documentation for this. The trick is you have to figure out, you make the decision on your range, get rid of the decimals, condense it down so that we're only looking for what's the actual range between the highest and the lowest, randomize to that range, and then add back in your lowest, and then divide by the thing that you need to give you the decimal places you were looking for. All right, and that is basic randomization.